What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making curry chicken with coconut milk, carrots, onion, peppers. Man, they got everything in here. Okay, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I hope y'all enjoy the recipe. Now let's get it. As always, we're gonna start off with a quick prep of our veggies. We're gonna chop us up some carrots. We got our green pepper. We're gonna take care of that. We're gonna make some nice rustic pieces. Okay, they ain't gotta be uniform and beautiful. We'll chop those up nice and neat. Got our sweet onions. Got 2 of them. I love onions, and they just melt into the doggone coconut milk curry we about to bring forth here. So, got 2 medium-sized onions. Chop those up nice and evenly. Set those to the side. Now let's go and get these sweet potatoes. What y'all know about sweet potatoes in your curry? Well, sweet potatoes just set it off, man. Give it a nice little sweetness to combat the heat. With the coconut milk, y'all, come on, man. This is the only way to do it. So let's go in and dice those up. Now we got these massive pieces of chicken breast. We just gonna do chicken breast for this recipe, by the way. So we're gonna cube those up as well. Nice meaty pieces, so you get a nice chunk of chicken breast when you bite into it. Again, these breasts were so huge. I get a lot of the choice meats like the brisket recipe, my chicken from Restaurant Depot. So it's a good place. I might do a Restaurant Depot haul if y'all like or have heard of Restaurant Depot. If y'all want to see me do a haul, definitely let me know in the comments. All right. We just gonna again just dice these up. Nice chops, nice little meaty bites. Let's go and get those in a bowl. Finna season these bad boys up. So we got our curry spice right here. It's that authentic grade right here. You know it's authentic coming out of the little plastic container. And we go hit it with some salt, man. Add those peppers on in there. We're gonna hold the garlic back for later. Going to hit it with a little bit more curry. Now this curry got spice to it. It's the restaurant style by Gaeta. All right, let's get that nice and mixed in, and we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for about an hour to 2, just so the flavors can melt right into the meat. See a little spots lacking curry spice. I'm going to add that on there. Now this dish is something serious. You can make it quick, or if you take your time and let it slow simmer, the meat still comes out delicious and juicy. Okay? Just follow my lead. I'm gonna take care of y'all. I got y'all. I like y'all a little bit. Let's give that a mix. We're gonna hit it with some thyme. And this is chicken breader right here. Now this is a little secret. This is a secret right here. If you want a delicious little crunch with your curry, okay, You want to skin, a little bit of skin to absorb that sauce. This is what you want right here. Just put a little bit of bread on there. Mix that thing around. Just mix it around. Don't tell nobody now. Don't tell nobody our secret. Don't let nobody know our secret now. Don't let this out. This is only for Discover Flavor family right here. All right. So you take a little bit of that bread and you mix that thing in there. Now look how it's coating the chicken. All right. It's coating the chicken, coating the veggies. It's going to give it a nice vehicle to hold the sauce. This is what you want right here. This is what you want. So we're going to mix that thing up till everything is nice and mixed. Now we're going to prep. We cooking on the stove today, y'all. So we're going to prep our oil. Get our oil up to temp. We just going to add those chunks of chicken right in the middle of the oil. Now notice I ain't just plop it all in there, just throw it all in there. Nah, take your time. You know, you cook with love, you take your time and enjoy what you're doing. I'm telling you, every meal you make is gonna come out delicious. So we're gonna put those pieces in there, and I want y'all to see as I flip this chicken, y'all gonna see why we put the bread on there. But look at that browning on there. That's what you want, man. Y'all know what that's called? That's flavor. That's flavor right there. Okay, we got our heat on medium high heat. So we ain't burning nothing. Gonna take our time and do this thing right. Let it cook down a little bit. Now we're gonna go on there. Let's mix that thing. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. So let's add our veggies on in there. We're gonna let them cook down with it. Look how flavorful that is, how juicy that thing is. Okay. We're gonna salt this again too. Alright, I flavor the taste and I flavor as I go. How you supposed to do it. That's how my grandma taught me to cook. She helped me out a lot. So we're gonna add 2 cups. Yeah, you heard me. 2 cups of chicken broth. Get 2 cups of it. Now what I'm doing is I'm letting that thing hit the side. I ain't trying to splash the chicken broth all over the place. Just let it come to a boil. We're gonna let this simmer. Okay, once it comes to a boil, cut the heat down on low, hit it with some salt, and we're gonna let it simmer from there. Somebody come take my spoon. I swear I be mixing like crazy. Now we're gonna add our sweet potatoes. See how it's cooking down? I brought it up to another boil. Once I add those sweet potatoes in there, give it a stir to make sure it don't stick. Okay, just constantly wash this thing. Give it a little taste. Check the temp of the chicken. Now that it did reduce down, I done let it slow simmer. About to add my little piece de resistance. Gotta get that coconut milk up in there. Now this adds so much to this dish. Okay, it adds a lot of depth of flavor, and that's what you want. Now let's go and mix that thing up. And again, we slow simmering this. We don't let this simmer down. The sauce gonna thicken up. It's gonna get that beautiful, rich color. Develop the flavor, the curry flavor that we're looking for. Let me taste it again. Yeah, we good to go. Again, low and slow wins the race. So let's let this simmer down. About another 10 minutes. Now it's time to plate. So I made some basmati rice on the side. Got a little bit right there. And we just gonna spoon it over that rice. Now, I eat a lot now. I ain't never been accused of being skinny, so I'm gonna fill my plate up. But this curry chicken with the coconut milk, sweet potatoes, carrots and peppers and onions, it's a good meal. Good, nice, healthy, warm meal for the winter months. All right. And there you have it, family. Curry chicken with coconut milk. Hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you for checking in with Discover Flavor. I appreciate everyone that's watching. Y'all can make this meal. I can make any meal. I believe in it. Catch y'all next time. Peace.